crabs with Sprite recipe. These are the ingredients of our recipe. We have crabs, minced ginger, and garlic. Also add Sprite here too. Once your crabs are all set in a pot, we fill in the Sprite. Leave it for 5 minutes until it boils. Now we'll add the ginger and the garlic and add salt and pepper to taste. You can also add sugar for additional sweetness. Wait for a few more minutes and it's now ready to serve. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This is JammyGhurl. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.